Dubai. This is a Deluxe King Suite at the Meridien Minor Seyahi Resort in Dubai. I'm just going to give you a quick room tour. So we have got plenty of storage space for full hanging and shoes at the bottom. We've got space for your suitcases. Apologies, we've been here nearly a week already. And extra space at the bottom. Full length mirror. Inside the second set of wardrobes, we do have tea and coffee making facilities, which is topped up daily. Now these items that you see here are all from the mini bar, which is in the fridge. We've taken everything out because we're not paying for anything from the mini bar, but just to give you an idea, you can see those prices are a bit hefty. Safe, easy to use, extra storage, more hanging space up there as well. When you go into the main room, it's a very large room. Like I said, it's a king, so I think this is actually like a super king. You don't touch each other when you're in the bed. This is a connecting room, but obviously we don't have people on the other side. We've got more mirrors. TV is able to connect to your smart enabled devices, so we were able to watch Netflix and things like that by using the TV smart access. We have plugs with the USBs and everything here. Obviously your telephone. Hairdryer has its own socket down here and is actually really good. What else have we got? So little bit of a lounge area. Bedside tables and everything. Now we don't have a balcony, we're on the front of the room, but we do have a view out onto kind of the street and everything. Really easy access down to the marina and down to the JBR. It is walkable from here, about 5-10 minutes to the marina, 10-15 minutes if you want to get down to the start of the JBR area. Yeah, I'll show you the bathroom in a bit, but it's being occupied. Okay, thank you. This is the bathroom. We have a shower and a full bath, well, full bath, half bath. The pressure in the shower is very good. Towels stocked up daily. Extra towels and flannels. One thing I've missed on the first video is we get daily free water. We've been getting 6 bottles of water a day, 2 in the bathroom, 2 by the bed and 2 near the fridge. Obviously a full mirror, and they organise all your bits on a nice little towel for you and restock all their free bits if you take those. Okay, thank you.